Hi guys, this is my single lever mixer and I tried to remove the cartridge, but I squealed it. So let me show you what's happened. The cartridge was stuck inside of this single lever mixer. This is the cartridge, but the base of this cartridge was stuck inside of this base. And how I removed it, now let me show you. So with this tactic, so that's it. This is because of the chlor in the water. It was stuck and I removed it with this method. If you like the video, please thumb up. Also please share it. Thanks for watching. Bye.